Today we're making breakfast muffins. Let's go over the ingredients. 250 ml of milk, 250 grams of flour, plain flour, a little bit of bacon, 100 grams of cheese. In my case, it is cheddar cheese, 70 grams of melted butter, 2 large eggs, a little bit of salt because bacon salted, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half of teaspoon of sugar, Italian spices, 1 clove of garlic. First, we need to preheat our oven to 200 degrees Celsius, top and bottom. Melted butter, squeeze 1 clove of garlic into melted butter, and Italian spice into melted butter. Let mix. In a bowl, 2 eggs, milk, and butter. Now to the dry ingredients. Flour goes straight in a bigger bowl. Salt, baking powder, and sugar. Mix well, distribute baking powder around into the flour. Mix again well. Pour wet ingredients into dry ingredients. We will add our cheddar cheese and our bacon. I didn't cook bacon, it will cook in the oven. You can use big muffin tin, but I decided to be a little bit more fancier. I've got brioche molds. I line them with the parchment paper or baking paper, and now we're going to fill up. Over here I've got extra bacon, and that bacon we will put on the top of our muffins. My oven already preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. Muffins going in the oven for 20 minutes, 20-25 minutes. Our muffins ready. They've been in oven for 30 minutes. Let's try muffin. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put like. Thank you. Until next time.